All right, guys. So today we are going to be talking about Fusion 360, CAD, modeling, and design, and all. S- So, first of all, let me introduce myself. I'm Ikechukwu Kingslays. I'm a mechanical engineer. I've worked on different prototypes uh, and products, and I'm a professional in Fusion 360, specialized in production, manufacturing, and the likes. Okay, so first of all, what is card design? So I'm going to give us a crash course on card design. So card design is majorly, bringing out your ideas to life. So you are bringing out your ideas, your geometries into the 3D space. Yes. So it varies from different kind of processes actually. You can start with a freehand sketch and move on a to even the 3D modeling, So there are different software to use. You have SolidWorks, you have Fusion 360, you have KTR. There are a lot. But Fusion 360 has proved to be um for me personally to be the most easy to use and the most efficient actually. If you are going to build, work with assemblies and work with parts design and work with, you know, prototypes, Fusion 360 is actually your go-to software with a very good and easy interface. All right. So you have other software also. You have like SolidWorks, which is also very, very okay. Um you have actually I also use Blender, even though Blender is more of an organic software, but I use Blender for my renderings and animations, but major designs and card designs, card being computer aided design, is used by Fusion 360. So to download it, actually you just have to search for Fusion 360. Click for free download, and it's we are hoping to download the free software actually, the one for personal use. Yeah. Okay, so the results are out and there's Fusion 360 for personal use. So we're going to click on the Fusion for personal use. Fusion 360 actually have different plans and pricing. So just depends on, but for now let's just go with the free trial, 30 days free trial. So first of all, you have to like create an account. It's not necessary, but to get the installation, but it's actually necessary because once your Fusion is installed, you will want to put log in directly. So yeah, let's just go back and sign in again. So we're actually a visitor, and let's just use this email. So if you have created an account, you can just log in your email and go to directly. If not, you can just go to create account and go to the process of creating the account. All right. So me, I've created an account, so I'm just going to log in. But if I was a new user, what I'll do is I'll go back and I'll just go to create an account. I'll just go to create an account actually. So when you want to create your account, you create your account, your email, they'll send you. But you can see I'm not a new user, so they told me account already exists. So let's just use a random one, and you can see they'll send the code via that email that you just put, and you should check your email and get the code, and finish up the registration. So whatever code they send you, you will check your email and you will finish it up. All right. So since this is demo, I assume that you've you should have um done done it all actually. Yeah. Um so back to the page, you can now see that we can now just go ahead and download the free trial. But you can notice that I'm signed in now. So I'm signed in now. So instead of it being signed in, you can just see that SI is there. So I'm signed in with my initials. All right. So you can go ahead and go to the free trial, download, and when you click that, you can fill in the necessary information, your email address, your country, your state, your company name. Right. So let's just fill that quickly. Let's just fill that quickly. Just fill that quickly. For the email address, let me just go with this. No, just go with this one we were using before. All right, state. Can you see that? And company. Let's use ideal 3D. All right. Okay. So you can go ahead and in which they will also ask you again to sign in. But since you're already signing, um remember we've already signed in, so they'll just ask for our phone number. And when you put in your phone number, you can just get a security code again. So just different verification stages, but in all, it's just to prove that okay, this is all secured and it's not tailoring it directly for your own personal use actually. Yeah. So code has come. Let's put this in. You can just type in the code. Let me just type in the code. Okay. Code is 873554. So now we can go ahead and verify this, right? So let's just 355. Just a minute. So let's verify this. Alright, so now I've gotten access to download the 30 days feature. So what actually is going to happen is that I'm going to be sent a by clicking download, I'm going to be sent an installer, a Fusion installer, which is about 11 MB to 12 MB. So and that's supposed to start automatically in the download. But if this does not start, you can also click on the try again. But as you can see, mine has started. So just like I said, you can see it's 12.6 MB. 12.6 MB. So we can just click this and start the installer and go through the process and install the process install the process, install the software, and get it all going, all perfect and all nice. So that's majorly it. The process for installing software is actually very very simple. It's very very simple. So probably in the next video, yeah, so you can see it has just started. It runs pre-check. Okay, let's just follow me as so you run the pre-checks, then it will tell you install. Very easy, straightforward process, and you can go ahead and just do that. But it's already installed on my system, so there's no need to go ahead with it. Actually, the installation usually takes 30 minutes to an hour. Just depends on how fast your internet connection is. Sometimes it can even take faster than that. Or just give it time to go through the process from 1% to 100%. Okay, thank you.